Hello everyone, hope all is well. In this tutorial I will show you how you can install SSL certificate, that is security socket layer certificate for your website. As you see that in my website SSL certificate not installed, that's why it's showing not secure error, and here is a warning potential security risk ahead. So what I need to do is I need to go to my cPanel and to activate the SSL certificate. To do that you need to go to the cPanel. So I have already logged into my cPanel. Just write SSL here and you see that there is SSL TLS status, so you need to click on that and it will show us the status. Here you see that the status is red lock, that means the SSL certificates are not installed here, but it's showing auto SSL in progress. Sometimes you may see here install SSL button. If you see that, then you have to click on that. Here you see that auto SSL is in progress, so it will be automatically activated after few minutes hopefully. If this is not seen here, then we can go for SSL in other cases. So click on let's encrypt. Most of the times let's encrypt SSL is not showing in hosting server, and if it is showing, it will be better to use this if it is showing in hosting panel. So if you come here you will see that there is an action required, so you have to click on the issue button. Keep it as it is and click on issue, and you will see that soon SSL certificate will be activated. It is taking some time. As you see that the SSL certificate is now installed onto the domain. Okay, so the SSL certificate is activated and Apache is restarting the background, so it will take some time. Sometimes if it is not activated, still it is not activated, then what you need to do is you can use a plugin that is simple SSL. That plugin will be help you if you activate this. Otherwise you can go to the domain. Just a minute. If you go to the domain portion and click on domain, here you can redirect sometimes. So if you check this and force HTTP to HTTP to HTTPS, then it will be helpful to you. In that case you don't need to install the simple SSL plugin. So what you need to do is just check this and force HTTPS. So you just click on and that's it. I hope it will be solved your problem. So as you see that the problem has been successfully fixed. So in this way you can fix the SSL issue successfully. Thank you.